Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will walk you through the complete process of downloading and installing Python on your computer. And then we will install PyCharm, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly integrated development environments used by Python developers around the world. Don't worry if you have never written a single line of code before. I will guide you through every step from downloading the software to verifying that everything is installed correctly and ready for coding. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully configured Python development environment and you'll be ready to follow along with the Python lessons in this series. If you are excited to learn Python, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials. Now let's get started by downloading Python. Okay, so to download Python, we need to go to the website, to the official website for downloading the software. So type Python on Google. Then you have a list of websites. Top on the list is the website python.org. So click on welcome to python.org, which will take you to the web page from which you can download your Python. Now take your mouse, over your mouse on the tab, on the download tab, over your mouse on the download tab. You don't need to click on it, just over your mouse on it. And once you over your mouse on it, then you will see this particular page where you have this button Python 3.14.6. Now, this would bring the latest version of Python, Python 3.14.6. So click on this button to start your installation process. Okay, so to check your download, so go to the button over here. Then you will see the downloaded Python. So to open the download, so you click on this button, show in folder. So this will take you to the downloaded Python. So next, we're going to install this download. So to do that, right click and go up. You will run as an administrator. A pop-up comes up, click on yes. Then your installation would start. So now, before you start the installation, so check these two buttons below here, check these two buttons, then click on install now to start the installation. So you can see the installation has started. So Python will be installed on your computer in a couple of minutes. So now the Python installation is completed. So you can see setup was successful. So I can close this, then I can close this. Now to confirm our installation, to confirm that Python is installed on our system, so go to the search bar below here, go to your search button and type CMD, enter, CMD. So now on this command prompt, we are going to put Python, you're going to type Python space hyphen version, then type enter on your keyboard, press enter on your keyboard. So now this will bring out the version of Python that was just installed. So that is Python 3.14.6. So that is the version of Python that we have just installed. So confirm this, use this to confirm your Python installation. So next, what we are going to do now is we're going to go and download PyCharm. PyCharm. So PyCharm is a very popular IDE, integrated development environment for writing your Python code. So to do that also, we go to Google. So on Google, type PyCharm. PyCharm. So top on the list, we have a link to a website where we can download our PyCharm. So JetBrains. So JetBrains. So you have this link. So click on download PyCharm. So this will automatically take us to the web page where we can download our PyCharm. So now here you will see a button, download. You can download from here. You have another download button here. You can either use any of these two buttons to download your PyCharm. So now you can see free forever plus 1 month of pro included. So now you can download PyCharm for free. So click on the download button to start your download. So automatically your PyCharm starts downloading. So on the button here, you can see one download in progress. So that means that your PyCharm is downloading. So we're going to wait for the download to complete. Then after which we're going to start the installation. So now that the download is complete, we are going to locate the file and start the installation. So I'm going to click on this button here, Then I will click on show in folder to reveal the downloaded file. So here I have PyCharm 2026. So I'm going to right click and run as administrator. A pop-up will come up. Then I will click yes. Okay, now we have a pop-up to start our installation. So welcome to PyCharm setup. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so this is the part where the PyCharm will be installed. Okay, I'm going to accept that default path. Then you can see the space required 3.4 gig. So make sure you have 3.4 gig space on your system to contain the installation. So I'm going to click on next. Next. Then now, so you want shortcut to be created. So do not create shortcut. You click on this, but if you want shortcut to be created, so you leave it. So I'm going to leave it. Then I'll go ahead and install. So the installation has started. So we're going to wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, now that PyCharm has been successfully installed on our system, so now we're going to open the PyCharm and we're going to start our coding. So in case you cannot find PyCharm on your desktop, so go to your search bar below and type PyCharm. So now here you can see PyCharm. So you can right click and open file location. So that will take us to the folder where we have our PyCharm installed. So now we are going to right click on this and send it to the desktop. So send it to desktop so that we can have the PyCharm icon on the desktop. So now we have the PyCharm icon on the desktop. So I can use this to open my installation. So double click to open the PyCharm installation. So now let's confirm that we have PyCharm working on our system. Okay, so I'm going to allow access here. So at this point, I'm going to click on new script. Okay, now, so we have our script open and we have welcome to PyCharm over here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to open a new Python script. So I'll click on the plus sign over here, click on the plus sign, then Python file. So Python file. So then I'll be able to name the Python file I want to open. Let me call it exercise 1. Exercise 1, then I'll press enter on my keyboard. So this automatically opens a blank script for me. So now I'm going to write my first code. So I'm going to create a variable. Okay, my name. Okay. So next line, print. So print my name. So I'm going to print this. I'm going to run this and see if to confirm it works fine. All right. So now on the terminal, I have the answer displayed on the terminal. So this is to confirm that our PyCharm is working. So now with this, we have installed Python successfully, and we have also installed PyCharm. So we have everything working. All right. So if you have been able to do this successfully, so remember to subscribe to this channel and share this information with your friends. So see you guys in the next video.